This is up in northern end of Utica. Looks like a tornado, sucking a ton of stuff up into it. Clouds and kind of crazy looking.
It's getting closer.
Yep. It's very close, dude. Very close. I think we're gonna take cover pretty soon here. Yeah, man, I thought it was gonna be a little further away from us.
Wow.
Can't get the focus going here. Get on this side of the wall, Doug, get out of the rain.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Please stay north of us.
See that?
Yeah.
Lightning right down the middle of the prick.
Look at that thing just spinning. Look at all the clouds coming up the side of it. Oh my God.
Try not to use any profanities. Not that you did, I'm just...
I'm just on the right now.
I know, it's really freaking close, man. That's insane.
You know how good you could see it from the field right there?
That you'd be about in it, dude. It's right there. It's coming this way a little bit. It's heading towards town. I don't like that you can't see the other side of it.
Oh, look how fast those clouds are coming up into it.
Sure hope this video takes. I don't think it's that. I don't want to say jinx anything, but I don't think it's that strong. Usually, it would suck up. You'd see it'd be more visible. You know, it'd suck up more stuff around it, make it more visible. Getting kind of calm now.
I know.
Humidity's back.
I bet you could see it from the edge from that Holmbeck's house from the back. That's a wide open field.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get hammered with some rain right after this thing comes through. There's all rain behind it.
Here's the wind, baby.
Girls downstairs.
My buddy
There
Kennedy.
must be a new siren up north there, by the water tower or something.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's on the water tower.
I don't know. My buddy Jason, the foreman for us, lives on 11th Road. 8th is the one that goes right over 80
Yeah.
on the Shell gas station, so he's 3 roads down. That's got to be going right by his house.
That's got to be right on the interstate. It's got to be right up. I mean, it's up there. Not very far away.
There's the rain we were talking about.
What they say to do during a tornado? Not be outside?
Yeah.
Idiot. Wind just changed directions.
Which way? That way? Southwest.
I don't like that we can't see it now.
I know. It's making me nervous.
I think we're in the clear where we are now for this blast.